If you're looking for the best pool tables on a budget, this video is for you. After trying out countless options, we've found the top 5 pool tables for 2024 that offer the best bang for your buck. Whether you're a casual player or a budding pool shark, these tables deliver quality without breaking the bank. So if you're keen to find out which pool table suits your needs and budget, stay tuned until the end. And remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to keep watching until the end so you don't miss anything. Also, all the links to find the best prices for the products in this video are in the description. Let's begin. Flash, here is the review. Vertical bar, here is the modified text vertical bar. Here is the modified claro. Aquí tienes el texto modificado para que se genere la voz con emoción. Aquí tienes el texto modificado para que se genere la voz con emoción. Aquí tienes el texto modificado. Aquí tienes el texto modificado. Guía. Alright, let's dive into the amazing American legend billiard table 84 inches. This pool table really caught my eye with its classic rustic design and blonde finish. The K-shaped leg construction gives it a sturdy feel, which is essential for a good game. Plus, the royal blue polyester cloth adds a unique touch that stands out in any room. But there's one feature that really stands out. One thing I absolutely love about this table is its size. At 84 inches long, it offers a 7 foot by 5 foot playing surface, which is perfect for competitive gameplay. It's large enough to give you that authentic pool hall experience right at home. And speaking of home, it comes with shims to help level the table on uneven floors, which is a lifesaver if your game room isn't perfectly flat. But there's a reason why it's so popular. Now, let's talk about the pros. First off, the price point is fantastic for a table of this size and quality. It's affordable, making it a great option for families or beginners who want to get into the game without breaking the bank. The assembly process is also a breeze. You can set it up by yourself in under 2 hours, which is a huge plus if you're not particularly handy. And the best is yet to come. The table is sturdy and heavy, so it won't move around during play, which is crucial for a good game. The included cue balls, cue sticks, and ball rack mean you're ready to play right out of the box. And let's not forget the blue chalk, which is a nice touch, but not everything is perfect. However, there are a few downsides. The felt is of low quality and may wear out quickly, which is a bit disappointing. The cues are lightweight and might not be suitable for professional players. Also, the plastic pockets can be a bit annoying for some players, and you might need a leveling kit if your floors are very uneven. Some users have reported receiving damaged products or parts, so that's something to keep in mind. Overall, the American Legend billiard table, 84 inches, offers great value for its price. It's perfect for family use and provides hours of entertainment. While it may not be suitable for professional players or tournaments, it's a fantastic option for casual play and beginners. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pool table that doesn't skimp on quality, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. The Barrington 5.5 feet urban pool table is a true find for those with limited space, but still yearning for that authentic game room vibe. This compact table at 5.5 feet is ideal for smaller spaces where a full-size table just won't fit. The grey velvet cloth playing surface and rubber K818 bumpers deliver a smooth and responsive gameplay experience, making it feel like a much more expensive table. But what really sets it apart is its robust leg design. Constructed from MDF with a faux concrete style PVC laminated finish, these legs are not only sturdy, but also feature adjustable levelers. This ensures you can easily make the table perfectly level, even on uneven floors. Say goodbye to frustratingly uneven games. Now, let's discuss assembly. The table arrives partially pre-assembled, which is a huge advantage. Trust me, the effort is worth it once you see the table standing proudly in your game room. However, it's not all perfect. Some users have reported receiving damaged or defective unit. This appears to be a hit or miss issue, so it's something to be aware of. Additionally, the smaller playing surface and balls might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're accustomed to a standard sized table. This table is definitely more suited for casual play rather than professional or tournament level games. Despite these minor issues, the Barrington 5.5 feet urban pool table offers exceptional value for its price. It's durable, easy to assemble, and comes with all the essential accessories for a classic game of pool. If you're searching for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this table is a great choice. Overall, if you have limited space and want to enjoy a game of pool without spending a fortune, the Barrington 5.5 feet urban pool table is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Alright, let's jump into the fantastic Hathaway 6F portable pool table. If you've ever had trouble finding a pool table that fits in a smaller area, this could be the answer you've been searching for. Its compact 6-foot size is ideal for tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for apartments or smaller game rooms. But there's one feature that really shines: its portability. The table is simple to set up and take down, which means you can assemble it when you want to play and store it away when you need more room. The included nylon carry bag makes it super easy to transport, so you can even bring it to a friend's place for game night. Now, let's discuss the build quality. The table features sturdy steel legs with adjustable leg levelers, ensuring it remains stable during play. The playing surface is made of half-inch thick MDF covered with a blended polyester wool blue felt. While this is suitable for recreational play, the felt isn't the best quality and might show signs of wear and tear sooner than you'd prefer. But not everything can be perfect. For the price, it's a compromise that's somewhat expected. Speaking of accessories, the table comes with everything you need to start playing immediately: 2 48-inch pool cues, 2 pieces of chalk, a table brush, and a racking triangle. However, there's something I wasn't thrilled about. The cues are of subpar quality, and you might find yourself wanting to replace them sooner rather than later. Despite these minor issues, the Hathaway 6-5 portable pool table offers a lot of value for its price. It's not designed for professional or competitive play, but for casual games with friends and family, it performs well. The 180-day manufacturer warranty also adds a layer of confidence in your purchase. In summary, if you're looking for an affordable, portable pool table that's easy to set up and store, the Hathaway 6F portable pool table is a great option. Just be prepared to invest in some better cues and possibly spend a bit of time leveling the table. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. The Fat Cat 7.5 feet pool table is an absolute treasure for anyone wanting to bring some excitement to their game room without spending a fortune. One of its most impressive features is the Slate playing surface, which is covered in a rich burgundy wool cloth. This surface is designed to prevent warping over time, a common problem with many budget-friendly tables. And the best part? The 7-year warranty on the Slate surface speaks volumes about its longevity. Now, let's dive into the design. The table flaunts a timeless look with its beveled legs and cherry finish, making it a stylish addition to any room. The K66 rubber bumpers and 6-inch rails with white diamond inlays not only enhance its visual appeal, but also ensure a consistent and accurate bounce, which is essential for a great game of pool. But there's one feature that really shines: the variety of accessories that come with the table. You get 2 57-inch 2-piece hardwood cues, a rail brush, a set of 2 1/4-inch billiard balls, a resin triangle, and 2 pieces of performance chalk. This means you're ready to play straight out of the box, which is perfect for beginners or anyone eager to start quickly. However, assembling the table can be a bit of a task. It took me around 4 to 5 hours to put it together, but the instructions were clear and easy to follow. So while it's time-consuming, it's not overly difficult. But not everything is flawless. One minor drawback is the felt. It appears a bit thin and might wear out over time, especially with frequent use. Also, the cues that come with the table are somewhat flimsy, so you might want to invest in better ones if you're serious about your game. Despite these minor issues, the table plays exceptionally well. The leveling system is user-friendly, ensuring a flat playing surface with minimal roll. In terms of value for money, the Fat Cat 7.5 feet pool table is hard to beat. It offers high-quality construction and materials at a price point that's accessible for most people. While it's not suitable for heavy use or commercial settings, it's ideal for recreational players who want a reliable and attractive pool table. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly pool table that doesn't sacrifice quality, the Fat Cat 7.5 feet pool table is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to see more details and current pricing. The Barrington 8 feet Slate-Tech pool table is an absolute treasure for anyone serious about their billiards game. To start, the build quality is exceptional. The 1-inch thick Slate-Tech composite slate playfield guarantees a smooth and consistent ball roll, which is essential for those accurate shots. The MDF and birchwood veneer with a painted oak finish provide a luxurious appearance that can uplift any game room. One of the highlight features is the adjustable leg levelers. We've all experienced playing on a slightly uneven table, which can spoil the game. These levelers ensure a perfectly flat surface, making your game as fair as possible. Moreover, the pre-assembled design makes setup a cinch. Setting up a pool table can be a hassle, but this one comes mostly ready to go. You just need to attach the legs, which is simple compared to other tables. However, there are a few considerations. The recommended room size is 17.5 feet by 14 14 feet, which is quite spacious. If you don't have that kind of room, you might find it difficult to play comfortably. Additionally, flipping the table during assembly requires 4 people. It's not a solo task, and putting pressure on either side can cause damage. So make sure to gather some friends to help out. Now, let's discuss the playfield. The cloth-covered surface with a 50% wool felt blend and rubber K66 bumpers provide a smooth ball roll and excellent bounce. This is a feature you usually find in higher-end tables, making it a great value for the price. And there's an aspect you can't ignore. The overall dimensions of 95 inches by 53 inches by 31 inches make it a significant piece of furniture that commands attention in any room. In summary, the Barrington 8 feet Slate-Tech pool table offers tremendous value for its features and performance. It's a high-quality, durable table that looks and feels luxurious. While it does require a large room and some assistance during assembly, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. If you're in the market for a pool table that excels in both quality and aesthetics, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details.